Look at this question now. In this question, they're asking that the length of the potentiometer by 200 centimeter. How much is the length? 200 centimeter. L 200 centimeter. And the EMF of a standard cell in a primary circuit is E volt. That I don't know. It's given just E. It is employed to a battery of EMF 0.4 volt and the balancing point obtained how much? 40 centimeters secondary cell. So here EMF of primary cell is how much E? EMF of secondary cell in a secondary circuit is how much it is? 0.4 volt, and balancing length we get what now? 40 centimeter. From the positive end, okay, the E of the battery is how much? We need to find out this E, how much is it? That's the question. In the question they ask it. So we need to go a little bit reverse right now here. So they are not given, we need to find out. Let's say potential gradient using this portion. What is the formula for potential gradient now? E is secondary divided by length. E secondary 0.4 by length 40 centimeter. 40 into 10 power minus 2. It will go to numerator. It will become what now? 40 divided by 40, right? Because 10 power minus 2 will go to numerator, become 10 power plus 2, it will become 40. So potential gradient, we are going to get 1. We are going to get what now? 1. And is there any series resistance here? No series resistance. Since there is no series resistance, directly we can take like this now. Potential gradient is equal to the total potential drop across the entire length of the wire, V by L. Okay. See, V is how much? That is the EMF of a cell we need to find out. That is, let's say E. Remember, length of the wire, how much is given? 200. So it has become what now? 200. Okay, it's taking next slide. Yes, 200 centimeter. So it will become 2 because centimeter to meter. So we want E. E equal to 2 times of 5. So 2 times of 5 means 1 we got. So it is 2. So where is an option, sir? It is 2 volt. Sir, what if they given series resistance? We should include that one when you are taking. Okay, that's not given here. So is that clear? So this question is clear? Yes. Now, this topic was missed when we are doing the classes. So that's topic of potentiometer is over. So one topic was missed. That topic was what now? Questions based on color code of a resistor. So here we need to discuss the color code of a resistor. Let me give an idea to you about the color code first, and then after giving idea to you about the color code, I'm going to discuss this one question related to this color code. Okay, so the main purpose of using color code is what now? It is difficult to mention the value of a name, means value of the resistor on the resistor itself, on the surface, on its surface. So it is difficult because these carbon resistors are very small in size. So we adopted a new convention of writing a color code on that. Okay, color bands, different bands of colors. So I have given some names. We have given some name for values for that each and every band, and there is some rules are there. So with this we can find out. Okay. So by looking at the name, we have taken that how to remember. You people will think that how physics teachers are crazy. Not physics teachers, even physics people. I would like to say physics all physics. Okay. So before this, I'm going to give a table to you. How to remember a table? I'm not going to give a table. Directly I'm going to write now. This I'm going to write like this: P B Roy. Okay, of Great Britain. Don't bother about the spelling now. Okay, Great Britain. Having very good wife, wearing wearing gold, silver necklace. Okay, so here I'm going to underline some letters to you. Okay, I'm going to highlight this B, this B, this R O Y, and this G, and this B. This is V, again this G, and this one, this one, this one, this one. So these are the letters we are going to have now. So we are given the number for this. So here B stands for first letter black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold, silver, N stands for no color. So the names are given like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And for gold, it is given what now? It is given 5% tolerance. For silver, it is given 10%. For no color, it will be 20%. No color means there is no fourth band. Usually, we take any resistor like this carbon resistor. We have a 4 bands. Okay, so first band, second band, third band, fourth band. If fourth band is not there, only 3 bands are there. So how to remember? The first band and second band are numbers. Third band is multiplier. What are the multipliers are now in this question? Okay, multiplier is what now? It's multiplied 10 power 0. It's multiplied 10 power 1. It's multiplied 10 power 2 like that. First 2 colors are numbers, digits. Third one is multiplier. Fourth one is tolerance. Like that. So I'm going to show you now by writing one thing. So I have given a color code is what now? Green, black, red, okay, violet, gold. So what is the green now? So where is the green in this? So green, if you look at it, will be where? It will be here. This is green. So first number, that is okay, 5. So green is done. So black is first number, so it will be 50. So as per the rule, first 2 bands are what now? Numbers, digits. We have done. Third color is what now? Multiplier. So into multiply something 10 power. So violet is the, where is the violet here? This is a violet. 7 is there, so it is into 10 power 7. Next, gold is there. Gold means 5%. So I'll write plus or minus 5%. That's all. So is the answer like this? So here 500 is there, here 500 is there, here 500 is there, here 50 is there. You people are confused now and you'll take 50. Wrong answer because 10 power 7 is there, sir. So make it as 500 now. 500 into 10 power 6 plus or minus 5%. Now this answer is wrong now because mega means 10 power 6. Because here 50 is there. Now we got 500. Okay. Here, this answer is wrong because tolerance is not given. Tolerance means what? What is the meaning of tolerance of a given resistor? How much it can sustain. That's the meaning of tolerance. That's not mentioned. And next, and tolerance in the fourth option given 10%. For gold, tolerance never be 10%. For silver, 10%. Straight away we can cancel. Without calculation, we can set this answer as right answer. Okay. So now we got to know what now? Because the reason is because if you look at the gold itself, gold tolerance is 5%. Only 2 options are there. There is no tolerance here. This option is wrong. There is no tolerance here. This is strikeout. So only 2 options are left. In this, they're given 10% tolerance. So this is the wrong answer. It is right answer without calculation. Not always, sometimes. So, but still, if you want to do calculation, you can go this. And now I'm going to write this one as 500. Okay. Plus or minus 5%, and 10 power 6 means mega and mega ohm. That's answer. So this is related to this topic, that is color code. Okay. So this is about a chapter what, students? Current electricity. Okay. So my suggestion to you what now? So what I do is not important here. How much you practice more and more different questions, and how many questions you practice, how many doubts you'll get in your mind, how many doubts you're going to clarify with the teacher. That is very important. That's the main thing you need to remember. Okay, even though if I do 1000 questions in the class, so that is not true that we cannot say that assurance they are going to get a rank. The rank you get when you get motivated yourself and do a lot of questions, and you need to satisfy yourself with the subject. Then only you will be having a rank in your hand. Okay, rank is on your hand, in your hand, not with anyone. Okay, we all teachers and parents, we just support you, nothing more than that. Okay, with this, thank you so much for today. Okay, we'll have a next session and tomorrow. Okay, yes.